What's up, guys? Um, I'm recording on my laptop, so the camera looks kind of eh, but this is just a video to kind of show how the M2 crane works. I have it connected to the Sony camera. So if you have a Sony CB1, then yes, it's compatible. Um, the crane, there's an app that you can download, and this is what I like. It's pretty cool. You can actually control your camera. Well, not the camera, the crane, of course. So you can go up and down, sideways. Right here, I will point it at myself. There you go. And oh, it comes with a button. This one for a picture, the top to record video. So right here, I'm gonna take a picture. Oh, it asks you for, oh cool, it gives you panoramic or time lapse and trajectory. So oh wow, it gives you more settings. Trajectory for photography, gives you photo mode, shooting interval, shutter speed, duration. Oh wow. I just wanted a regular picture. But anyways, um I like it. It's pretty cool because you can also zoom in. Let me see where. Oh, let me turn it. No, yeah, right there. You can see where it's gonna zoom out. You can zoom in and zoom out. Right here's the buttons. So you can do everything from here. And the camera itself, you can mirror it to your Sony mobile app. That way you can see. That way you can look at yourself, like if you're kind of far away, 5 or 10 feet. So it's very responsive. As as soon as as soon as you push on the buttons, it starts going. So it's responsive. Um, it's Bluetooth, so it's pretty explanatory. Once you turn on the app, you go to Bluetooth and then you select what you want, and it also gives you the battery percentage, which is pretty cool. Um, all right, let's push record. Let's see what happens. Push record, and yeah, you can see the light on. It started to record. So as soon as I push record, it started recording. Ah. pretty cool. It's like a robot. Oh, I'm zoomed in a lot. Well, it's pretty good for blogging, especially for stabilizing your camera. So I do recommend it. It's pretty good. It comes with a built-in battery, so you will charge it. You will charge it, leave it on the charger. Um, it came with the tripod. The tripod itself. Let me turn the camera away from me. You could turn it sideways. It came with a nice tripod. It's pretty cool and it's built really well. That's what I like about it. It's built really well. It also comes with a side screw mount. Right here you can screw your phone holder. That way you can put a monitor, outside monitor. So that's pretty cool. You can add another phone and view your camera screen, or what you're pointing at with your camera. I mean, so that's pretty cool. I like it.